Okay. All right. What's up, y'all? Jonasegway. Today's video, I got just a simple battery test. Which battery to buy? You guys want to know? I got an X5. Insta360 batteries may or may not be too expensive. The alternatives, what's the alternative looking like? Should I get the thermal battery? Should I get the regular battery? In this video, I'm just going to simply show you guys a freezer test on an X5 with the bootleg battery. All right, this one says this one's 2800 milliamp hour capacity. We got Insta360's original battery with the blue silicone weather protection. This one has 2500 milliamp hour capacities, or a 2500 milliamp capacity. And then we got the thermal battery, which is as well also like the bootleg battery, also has a 2800 milliamp hour capacity. I use the bootleg batteries for when I'm at work in this truck, just recording as a dash cam. Something you guys may or may not know, you do not need a battery inserted into the X5 as long as you can provide it with, I think it's 3 amps of continuous power, something around there. You can use your X5 as a dash cam. You know, if you pair it with, like, let's say the 512 SSD card that Insta360 offers on their website, links in the description below, you can record many hours before you need to like delete footage, or before the camera needs to loop over the oldest footage you've recorded on those SD cards. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys the times, and that's really it. You know, that's really it. So let's get to it. Okay, so you would think, okay, well, look, the thermal battery lasted the longest, so I should just buy a bunch of thermal batteries instead. Screw the other two. Not quite. The thermal batteries, and the thermal batteries has a thermal insulation that allows it to retain heat. The problem with that is when you use it in warm climates, the battery is going to get hotter. This may not translate to the camera having less run times, but it will heat the camera up even more. So when you guys are using it in hot climates, you may get overheating. That might be your issue. Your camera will overheat before the battery runs out, and then you have to deal with that cool down process, if there is any, depending on how hot the camera got. So these batteries, they all exist for a reason. The original Insta360 battery is probably your best overall battery, just daily use, non-extreme conditions. You can use it down in cold conditions. As you can see, it was only just a few minutes off the pace of the thermal battery. Well, maybe not a few, but you get what I'm saying. It wasn't too bad. Okay. And you got to think, you got to be real with yourself. How often do you run a battery until it's exhausted? I don't think a lot of people do. I think a lot of people will record. Maybe you're out and about throughout the day, just shooting video. And in that case, why not have a couple of these? You know, you don't usually like to run your batteries down till it gets critical. Insta360 X5 seems to shut the camera down at 5%. I noticed the Ace Pro 2 does as well. Once it gets to 5%, it'll shut off and say battery is depleted. Battery is not quite depleted, but it's a safety feature. It allows the batteries to last a lot longer. These type of lithium ion batteries, you run them too low for too many times, they get weak after a while. They'll stop holding their capacity to 100%, and they may only start charging till 98%, 96%, 95%. So it's kind of like a safeguard that Insta360's implemented into these little batteries. They never, so that they, you know, the users, you guys don't actually just run them down to nothing. If you guys have any questions, just get in the comments below. I made this video because a viewer of one of my other previous videos, he said I should throw them in a freezer. The Insta360 X5 with these batteries in my freezer in the truck, because the freezer in my truck is like a sensory freezer. It's not an actual blow a cold air freezer. So I had to let the freezer recover after every test session, let it recover for like 3 or 4 hours, let it get cold again, like freezing cold again, because it was thawing out all of my food in the freezer. It's like, god dang. The X5 was literally leaving hot spots, or a big old hot spot in the freezer. So I had to let it recover, let the camera cool down, throw the next battery in. That way I was giving you guys the best results that I can get with the conditions that I have. This test was more of a consistency test, because these batteries could last longer. They could maybe last a little bit shorter. It depends on the type of freezer you're putting them in, right? So I wanted to show you guys, a freezer is a freezer in a sense, where my freezer literally freezes my food inside of it hard, like frozen, like an ice brick. So it gets very cold in my freezer in this truck. So it's just to show you guys the differences. Like, okay, the thermal battery actually lasts longer in a freezer than the original battery, than the bootleg battery, even though the bootleg battery has the same capacity. You ever heard of that phrase that we built different? Yeah, they're built different. They're just not the same. They have the same capacity, but one's probably got higher quality materials and battery cells inside of it, versus the other one is just a cheapo, which is why I use it for that dash cam work and not for regular Insta360 creator work. So anyways, Jonasegway, check out the links in the description below. I got the Jonasegway Tutorials channel. We got G's Moto down there. G's Moto is the homie. She's doing a Moto, you know, she's created her Moto vlog channel. She's a little slow on the video, so I need y'all to get over there and get in her butt and tell her, hey, give me content, whether you watch it or not. Just get on her. I need some help on that. But thanks for watching, man. Subscribe if you feel like you want to, and hype the video up if you got some hype points. Let me get some of that, player. All right. In the meantime, in between time, we go back in this truck, put all this stuff together, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.